You weren't supposed to lose the ability to sit still for 10 minutes, but now simple tasks feel mentally heavy, while you somehow have the energy to scroll for 2 hours straight. Your brain isn't broken, but it has been secretly trained to expect nonstop artificial dopamine from endless digital stimulation. The truth is, dopamine itself isn't bad. It is the natural system that drives your motivation, anticipation, and learning. The real problem is artificial dopamine overload.
Let's visually break down the neuroscience of how this bad habit forms. Think about eating strawberries after weeks of eating clean. They taste incredibly sweet. But if you drink sugary soda every day, those same strawberries suddenly taste almost bland. Your brain works the exact same way with stimulation. When your baseline dopamine exposure becomes extremely high from constant swiping, ordinary activities lose their emotional intensity. Through neuroplasticity, your brain adapts to this instant gratification, completely changing its reward threshold. Suddenly, reading feels difficult and slow. Your attention fragments into shallow bursts, leaving you feeling mentally exhausted and strangely empty, even when you haven't done any hard work. To fix this and build a sharper mind, you don't need an extreme monk-style retreat. You need a 30-day dopamine detox to restore your baseline sensitivity. Here are 5 practical steps to execute this reset. Step 1. Reduce accessibility. Willpower usually fails against an environment designed to distract you. Instead, create physical friction by deleting apps, logging out, or keeping your phone entirely out of your bedroom. Step 2. Lower the noise slowly. Do not drop to zero stimulation instantly because your brain hates sudden extremes. Instead, spend week 1 aggressively reducing short-form content, which is the biggest destroyer of your attention span.
Step 3. Stop multitasking. You need to stop half-watching videos while trying to work. Practice single tasking by eating meals without screens or working for 20 minutes with full concentration. Step 4. Schedule intentional boredom. Modern life treats boredom like an emergency, but it is actually the critical bridge to deeper thinking. Allowing moments of silence builds your tolerance for mental discomfort and restores focus. Step 5. Replace high dopamine habits with slower rewards. In week 2, substitute scrolling with reading, journaling, or exercising. Be very careful not to just replace one addiction with another, like binging hours of podcasts instead. A proper dopamine detox is not about making your life joyless. It is about regaining the ability to focus voluntarily and removing compulsive behaviors. Once your sensitivity normalizes, ordinary experiences will feel richer and life will feel fuller again. If you are ready to protect your attention, start your 30-day detox today and make sure to subscribe for more practical habits that reshape your brain.